During this challenge, I learned that confidence comes for showing up authentically every single day for yourself and your brand. The three exercises I enjoy the most were Define Her, Mirror Talk, as well as What's in My Bag. I like these three exercises because it made me think about myself and focus on myself and what I bring to the table. I was the type of person that would just, shrink back. I don't like talking about myself. I don't like being center of attention. So I like those three exercises because it made me realize that it's good to talk about yourself and the things that you have accomplished and the things that you can help others with. Being that I've taken this challenge, I feel more confident in showing up for myself every single day, and just being myself. We always say be authentically you, but we'll get stuck in what other people are looking at, and then you're like, well, shoot, should I do that? Should I do that? No, because you're not being you. People love a variety of people. People don't want to keep looking at the same person every single day, saying the same thing, looking the same way. So no, be confident in being who you are. Coach Tressa helped me realize that I was already confident. The problem was I was comparing myself to others, which made my authenticity no longer enough. I also learned to stop overthinking. I like the prompts that Coach Tressa has been using during this challenge. That I'm going to challenge myself that when I want to go live or I want to create a video, I'm going to just use a small prompt and I'm going to pick up the camera and I'm going to start talking. Another thing that Coach Tressa helped me learn is that affirmations are really good to speak to yourself before you begin speaking. It really uplifts your mood and gives you that confidence that you need to speak, whether it's on video or going live in front of people. And another thing is that wearing your favorite color can also boost your confidence. My color is blue, and I'm going to do that. I'm not going to wear blue every time. However, even just an accessory can boost your mood. So if you wear an accessory in a color that you love, it can boost your mood. So yeah, I like those. To any woman thinking about joining this challenge, just do it. Stop thinking. If you are lacking confidence, this is the challenge. This is the workshop. This is the course. This is the training for you. Don't overthink it. I almost did, but I'm glad I didn't. Just take the course. Coach Tressa also, helped me build my confidence for this upcoming conference that I'm speaking at. So I'm so thankful for this challenge. Coach Tressa, you have done a fabulous job on this 21-day challenge. I am so grateful that I took the challenge. I didn't overthink, and now I feel more equipped than ever to show up for myself and to show up for my brand. Thank you so much.